हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी टेक। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट ऑन सिक्किम की। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो। हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिक्किम। हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिक्किम, एन एरिया इन प्रेजेंट डे नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया, began in 1642 as a kingdom established when India and Nepal were still many princely states and many rulers at that time, and had not unified to the present Union of India and present country of Nepal. Related pictures, Sikkim map, and there were some peoples of Sikkim. At that time, Sikkim had already solidified into country with a king known as Chogyal or Dharma King, and till 16 May 1975 was an independent country ruled by the monarch. There was contacts between ancient Hindus and Tibetans, followed by the establishment of the Buddhist kingdom or Chogyal in the 17th century. Long an independent monarchy, in the 19th century Sikkim ceded present-day Darjeeling to the British. This agreement stuck after Indian independence in 1947. The ethnic makeup of Sikkim had been transformed by year by heavy immigration from Nepal. The country was now a Hindu majority controlled by a Buddhist monarchy and clergy. Now we will talk about climate of Sikkim. Sikkim's climate range from subtropical in the south to tundra in the north. Most of the inhabited region of Sikkim experience a temperate climate with temperatures seldom exceeding 28 degrees Celsius, 82 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. The average annual temperature for most of Sikkim is around 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Related pictures of climate change in Sikkim. National Park Kangchenjunga, situated in the North Sikkim, is also known as Kanchenjunga. It has the highest mountain in India and maintains the distinction of the third highest mountain in the world. This national park has a total area of 1784 km, which is dedicated to the protection and conservation of the region biodiversity. This is the related picture of Kanchenjunga National Park. Wildlife Sanctuary. Considered one of the famous wildlife sanctuary in Sikkim, this lovely sanctuary is located in the West Sikkim with an area of about 104 square kilometer. It is the home to exotic wild animal including the Himalayan langur, leopard, cat, and Himalayan palm civet, among others. This is the related pictures about wildlife sanctuaries. Flora of Sikkim. The noble orchids has been declared as the state flower of Sikkim. There are about 35 species of rhododendrons in Sikkim and are found above the height of 10,000 feet. There are related pictures about Sikkim flora. Fauna of Sikkim. The fauna of Sikkim include the snow leopard, musk deer, Himalayan tahr, Mount Jack, common langur, marifold cat, leopard, dhole, Himalayan jungle cat. There are the fauna of Sikkim related pictures. Population of Sikkim. As per detail from census 2011, Sikkim has population of 6.11 lakh, an increase from figure of 5.41 lakh in 2001 census. Total population of Sikkim as per 2011 census is 6,10,577, of which male and female are 3,23,070 and 2,87,507 respectively. The population of the Sikkim forms 0.05% of India in 2011. In 2011, the figure was 0.05%. 2001. There are the related pictures about the population of Sikkim. सिक्किम पॉपुलेशन इन 2020. डिस्क्रिप्शन में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली population, actual population, male female population growth, percentage of total population. There are the 2011 census and 2001 census. You can differentiate between them. Thank you for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel Study Tech. Thank you.